So much drama in the LPC. It's kind of hard being Mr. 20 West. You'll see what it is, my beautiful people. It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, hey, bring that energy. Bring that energy. Bring that energy. Ooh. Anyway, listen. Before I even start this motor vlog, because this is factually actually a motor vlog, I want to shout out Icon. I don't know if y'all can see that. Anyway, this is an Icon shirt. They sent it to me for my birthday. Shout out to them. This was great. Let me give you a little backstory before you think like, oh my god, Mr. 20 West is sponsored by Icon. Listen, my girl is friends with people on the team of Icon, which are some awesome people, and me, I make videos and I tag Icon all the time. And you know, of course, if you go look at my other videos, you'll see that I won a challenge a long time ago, and I've been talking to them for a while. My girl's been talking to them for a while, and it's just a great relationship, man. Icon is truly a good like motorcycle brand, in all honesty. And this t-shirt, well not t-shirt, this flannel is my first official motorcycle shirt. And if I really had to talk about it, I'm gonna tell you what, this shirt feels amazing, and the wool is just, it's crazy because it's like 50 degrees outside. I just went for a walk, which is hard in motorcycle boots, but I went for a walk and I didn't feel nothing. So like, you know, this is my winter attire for this riding season in the cold, because you know what I'm saying, I switch it up, okay? This motor vlog, I just had to get that out. Oh yeah, shout out to my boy J5, because today he's getting married, so I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but all I want to say is shout out to the kid, man. I'm so extremely proud of you, man. I'm thankful to be able to even be around for you getting married, man. That's dope as heck, man. Today's motor vlog is brought to you about, well, the one who brought this up to my attention was Clutch First. Shout out to Clutch First. That's my guy. He talked about, I think these things are called A&D filters. I went and I purchased some, like, and today's motor vlog will be shot with these bad boys. I don't know which one to use, and if you honest to God ask me, like, Mr. 20, which one are you going to use? I don't know. I just know when I seen Clutch use this in his video, I was like, yo, that's extra crispy-fied, and that's where I'm at in my videos. I just want to be crispy. So if today's video is not the best in the world, it's only because I'm learning how to use these bad boys. I'm going with the lightest one that I can find. This is not the one Clutch recommended, because the one Clutch recommended was kind of pricey, and with this being my first time using A&D filters, I don't want to buy the best of the best and not know how to use them. So I'd rather use the crappy ones. I don't know how much these was. I don't think they were like really expensive, because I know me. My wallet don't be like, yo, purchase the high stuff, buy the low stuff. So I want to use these first, learn how to use them, learn how to switch them out, learn what to look for, what not to look for. Even though Clutch in his video, he kind of explains some of the filters. I'm more of a hands-on person, so I had to go out and go buy this. So with that being said, this video is about to start with me on my way to motor style, because I gotta go ask some questions about iGlow and some other stuff. Yeah, as always, let's get busy, baby. Let's go. Man, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Let me tell y'all something, and I want to be honest with you. I made the biggest mistake ever. I know. You're like, what? I just, okay, so the plan was to put the filter on the bike. Well, not on the bike, but on the 7. Because I got the 7, you know. Shout out to the 8. The 8 is out. I just made a video not too long ago about why you should upgrade cameras. And yeah, so this video was going to be why you should get an SD filter. I don't know, I felt like it was going to be like, I really was going to call this the SD experience. So I went outside. I got this vlogging box for my 7, right, that I got not too long ago, because the 7,
7 requires an audio box, right? To talk, to use the microphone. So my thoughts is right now, like, oh, okay, I'll just put it on, blah, blah, blah. There's a little hump there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a hump where the filter cannot fit to it. I want to say, like, dang, bro, like that kind of eliminated the whole idea of the filter, which it did. And because, like, the filter goes over the original head, and then if I put the filter over the original head, that just means that I'm not going to be able to use this audio box, which I was about to use my 7 black, not my 7 black, but my 4 black that I have. And I was like, you know what, I'll use that to motovlog with, and then I use the 7 to capture the crispiness behind me, which relatively, it sounds like a dope idea, right? I was like, yo, that would be so dope. Okay, so a couple days ago, I went to set up the GoPro Hero 4 for what I was doing. I was using it to make a motovlog. I wanted to make an old school motovlog, and the point of making that motovlog is was to show somebody the difference between the 4 and the 7, because I get questions all the time. Yo, 20, should I get the 4 or should I get the 7? Well, you're not getting the regular 4, you're getting the 4 black. I don't want people to go out and purchase the regular 4 and be like, yo, 20 told me to go get this. No, 20 told you to go get the 4 black, which is totally different. The issue with the 4 black is you can't see in the back of it. So there's a thing that they have on eBay where you could just buy the back screen for it. But anyway, we're gonna scratch that. I don't even want to keep talking about that. Look, SD filters are supposed to, and this is in my own words, this is not like somebody else's words, they're supposed to make everything extra freaking crispy, okay? So I want to let y'all know that I'm going to use an SD filter today. I don't care if I have to pull my bike over, take my helmet off, and add that thing onto this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my special spot. I got a very, 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 I actually got 2 special spots, but this, I got a lot of special spots, but this spot is going to be relatively cool for me to do such a thing as take my helmet off and take the GoPro off. There's a spot where I used to go all the time for my deep thinking that I can go to. It's right now in this city, it's 11 something. Traffic don't start picking up until like 2, 3ish, and then I have to be at a wedding by 6. So with that being said, I'm actually, oh yeah, I gotta put that into it too. I'm gonna be the photographer of the wedding. I know. I'm excited, kind of nervous, more nervous than anything, because I was like, yo, I'm just gonna pass this job over to T. But first, before I do that, I'm gonna actually try to do a good job. Like I said at the start of the video, shout out to my boy J5. He kind of met his girl around the same time I met my girl. So for them to get married, that's just like, yeah, you know, it's next level. And it's, you never know. And I keep telling people, motorcycles can be a catalyst to a better life for you. You know, people be getting these things to either become outlaws or, you know, find their way and stuff. But like motorcycles can actually bring out positive stuff. You know, it could be like the bottom thing, because like all this video stuff and camera stuff, and that junk legitly came from motorcycles. I don't know if I was super deep or in depth with cameras as much as I am now, because now I'm talking about filters and talking about lenses and different cameras and different editing programs, and the stuff really excites me. Like, I get excited every time I find me a new thing to like incorporate with my videos. I be like, yo, this is, y'all legitly are getting the best of the best, you know what I mean? Like, I'm finding new editors to really help me out. I purchased a freaking computer. I mean, like, I purchased a computer off of eBay. It was it was built by a guy, like the dude built the modem for it and stuff. It's got a i-Core 7 processor. It's super duper, like the best of the best, but for some reason it won't allow me to edit videos, and I'm super sad about that, because I was like, yo, this is gonna take it to the next level. So this right here is my spot, man. This is where I come to do crispy audio. Let me see if I can find you a place. Like, you see all the burnouts? It's some people be doing donuts out here. I'm gonna tell you exactly where this place at, because I don't want nobody to be like, yo, 20, where's that at? Okay, let's see. The entrance, Powers Island Trail. This is Powers Island Trail. Pretty much am not going to walk down there. Why? Because I got on motorcycle boots and those leaves are super slippery. I normally would be like, yo, I don't care about taking my bike off-road. Actually, the FZ does quite well off-road. Just to, you know, not to throw my bike out there, but it is pretty much a tall dirt bike with a lot of juice. Yeah, okay. Yep. So this is probably the only area I would definitely pull my bike in, only because I can get that bad boy out sometimes. Maybe not this time. This is the spot that I always take pictures at, right? So what I'm gonna do is maybe put the filter on, do a walk across the bridge, and I'm gonna split in there, and I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna do some funky editing with a little music on there, so when I make this video, you'll see the funky editing of me doing that. Okay, you know what I mean? Okay, I'll be right back when I get all this stuff off my face. Let's go. Okay, so I don't know how y'all feel about that. Hopefully it looked lit. I mean, of course the GoPro Hero 7 make everything seem lit, but like this should be extra crispy. Like, I like extra crispiness, and this should be the crispiest. So I feel like that you should hear this, you feel this. Don't fear me, I'm looking like the thumbnail out here. I don't know about it, but this just might be my thumbnail. Word. All right, man, let's get back on this bike and let's keep this vlog going. Wow, I feel like that junk did like make it so much better. That's pretty dope. So the continuation of this here video, anyway, what do y'all think? What do you think about the SD filter? I really I liked it. I liked it a lot. I don't know if I was supposed to like it as much as I did, and it really added value to the video, in my personal opinion. But let me make this comment for people who think that if you got the better camera, you're the better video editor, you're the better motovlogger, you're the better this, that. Now listen. No matter what, the most important thing is content, baby. It's not about how many videos you got. It's not about how many videos, you record. Like what you recorded on. Well, not all the time now. I ain't gonna lie right there now. Sometimes you gotta have the crispy stuff. But, you could do it with a relatively small camera. Anyway, It's all about content, man. What are you making a video about? And you know, for me, SD filters is important, but it's not like the grand scheme of things. The grand scheme of things for me, as long as I get my opinion out, as long as I can make me a freaking motovlog that makes sense to me, that's really what I enjoy, and that's why I do what I do, man. You know, I get so excited. I made a video, and I think it's coming out soon, or I'm gonna drop it soon, because I put it together. It's called Life, so it's gonna be really great. It's a really good milestone video for those who want some positive listening and some positive vibes. Sometimes I don't care about listening about like who's the fastest ever, and who do crazy wheelies, who do crazy stoppies, or who's running from the police. There's times for that. There's times that I'd be like, yo, I gotta get on my wild boy stuff, you know what I mean? Like, I gotta get out here and lean and get off in them corners and juice it up and go crazy. But, you know, most of the times, like I say, 60% of the times I'm chill. Like, the rest of the times I'm crazy. Like, man, dang. You know, life comes at you fast, man. And all you have is these moments. It's like, you know. But I don't want to put down people that, you know, maybe you can't afford the cameras. You know, maybe what you can afford is a Go Action camera. You know, the one that costs like $40. But make sure that camera records in 1080p. When I say no potato footage, and I will continue to always say no potato footage, because we're in the age of technology, baby. The cheapest Go Action camera I done seen was $30. 1080p. Alright? 60 frames per second, which from what I understand, you don't even need 60 frames per second. All you need is 30 frames per second. Certain people cameras just be crazy. But yeah, go out there, buy it, start recording. Don't be trying like, I'm gonna wait till I get this, I'm gonna wait till I get that. No, start now. There's somebody in this world that need the message that you're gonna give to the masses. You know what I mean? Like, my favorite thing is looking at startup motovloggers. Those guys are freaking awesome. They are like oh my god, that's a dead something. Those guys are the best. They're the dudes that's hungry. You know, they see that people out here being successful doing motovlogging. You know, the motovlogging and videos in general are paying. You know, YouTube is paying people. Do you know why YouTube is paying people? Because the people that are making videos, and I need to say this too, they're making videos on themselves. They are the business. They are the item. They're what people want. Okay, if I am I don't care, a clothes salesman, a tire salesman, a motorcycle salesman, I want that guy who has that drive to bring people to him. That is the guy that I want. I don't want the dude that, you know, he got $1 million, That's cool. That's no brainer. Like, people gonna follow that dude anyway because he's successful. But the dude that had absolutely nothing, that grinded up to the top and he had it, boom. I think that is amazing. That is the people that I'd be like, yo, that's super dope. Although I have met some really humble, rich people, which I know that sounds crazy. How are you humble and you're rich? I don't know how you got there, because a lot of people told me that's not even possible. Like, that's not even a thing. Like, you can't be humble and rich. Oh, appreciate it. Bloodies. That look like my best friend in that Orkin truck. Shout out to Big John. Well, anyway, I don't want to ramble anymore. I'm just probably gonna cut off the video here, guys. As always, it's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West, man. We in the building. I want y'all to go out and live your life the best way you can. Shout out to the 20 people that actually watched my video. You guys are solid individuals. I love y'all. Peace.